Honestly, fídíò kan tí mo rí ń sìn nípa Rẹ̀mí Tinubu ó ní mo fi ní kí n sáré wá bẹ́yìn èèyàn mi mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ mi. Sórí ìwọ tó bá sì ń gọ̀ rẹ̀ lórí Nàìjíríà lórí wọ́n Nàìjíríà ìyà ni ó pa ọ́ Ọlọ́run tó gbọ́ nǹkan tí Rẹ̀mí Tinubu ń wí sá ìyẹn mọ̀mọ́ 62 years tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n pera wọn ní pásítọ̀ ni Rẹ̀mí Tinubu ó ní chọ́ọ̀chì o private jet bẹ́lókọ́pítà ni bí pílẹ́ẹ̀nì ní ìkànnú gbogbo èbó tó bá wà nù èyí tẹ́ bá lè fi pè tán fi lè gbéra wọn lọ chọ́ọ̀chì lójijì ẹ̀mú yìí tó bá kọ̀rẹ́ ti bẹ̀kẹ̀ lẹ́pọ̀. ó ń sọ fún yín wípé kẹ́ ẹ ní sùúrù yìí ó sì máa dáa after 62 years of age Nigeria wọ́n ní Nàìjíríà sì máa dá pé president governor wọn ló ti lay foundation bẹ́ẹ̀ sá ti rí gbogbo Èkó pé kẹ́ ẹ ní sùúrù lọ́dún mélòó ni o fẹ́ ní sùúrù ọmọ àǹtí mi ọdún mélòó ló fẹ́ ní sùúrù lọ́dún mélòó ló fẹ́ ní sùúrù dà sódìgbà tó bá ewu lórí tó hunrun ní kurun pàn tí àárọ̀ ọmọdọ́ mẹ́ wọ́n ní tí bí òkété bá dàgbà ọmọ rẹ̀ ní mu tí ìrọ̀mú ọmọ yín mu ọmọ yín gan tó ti wà ní ayé tí ìrọ̀mú ọmọ yín mu wọ́n sì sọ fún after 62 years wọ́n ní kẹ́ẹ̀sì máa ní sùúrù kẹ́ẹ̀ máa jókòó Rẹ̀mí Tinubu ní pé kẹ́ẹ̀sì máa wòran ó ní kẹ́ẹ̀ má wọ̀rí o ìyẹn ìyàwó Tinubu wọ́n ní kẹ́ ẹ má wọ́rí wọn náà ti lé foundation fún yín lọ́wọ́ wọ́n lẹ́ sáti rí n tó dáa tí gbogbo wọn ṣe bó ti ẹ̀kọ́ la Boko Haram tọkọ wọn kó wọ Nàìjíríà ìyẹn náà náìsì bó ti ẹ̀kọ́ la gbogbo àwọn ọba tí wọ́n fi ń jẹ nílẹ̀ Yorùbá tí wọ́n jẹ́ káwọn ọba wá níyì mọ́ ìyẹn náà náìsì bó kọ́ la gbogbo ilẹ̀ Èkó tó ti tà fún Fúlàní tán látọwọ́ sanwó okú sanwó ẹ̀mí ìyẹn náà náìsì ẹ wojú tèmi dáadáa o ẹ tí ì rí nǹkan kan ẹ lè dé ààrẹ kankan torí wípé elétẹ̀ ń bá bọ̀ yìí ẹ ti tà wá fún Fúlàní àtọkọ àtìyàwó yín sọrí wọ ọmọ Yorùbá kó o gbọ́rọ̀ tí Rẹ̀mí Tinubu ń wí máa fọ́lọ̀ wọn kó o sì máa tẹ̀lé wọn dáadáa kó o wò wípé ẹyin mọ̀mọ́ ni ọmọye estate tí Rẹ̀mí Tinubu ní l'Ékòó ẹ̀mẹ́rin ló ti jẹ́ sẹ́nétọ̀ lẹ́yìn ìgbà tó jẹ́ lẹ́ẹ̀mẹ́rin ló tún ti fẹ́ du ẹ̀ka ló tún ti ń ṣe pásítọ̀ lọ́wọ́ chọ́ọ̀chì ló tún wà báyìí ọmọ Tinubu ń ló ní ìyálọ́jà ọmọ rẹ̀ ṣèyí ń ló di Lẹ́kì tó géètì mú gbogbo ìdá mẹ́wàá yín òun náà ń gbà ní ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì wọ́n sì ń pera wọn ní pásítọ̀ bó bá wù ẹ́ máa campaign kó o má sọ pé o fẹ́ kúrò ní abẹ́ ìsìnrú kúrò lábẹ́ ẹrú Yorùbá nation now kò sí tó ní ìtumọ̀ nínú Nàìjíríà mọ̀ bá ṣe máa tàn yín nù náà ní kẹ́ ẹ níṣù after 62 years of age Nàìjíríà ti pọ́dún mẹ́ta lọ́n the first ó pé 62 years nothing showing.
I think everything because it's a cumulative of all the work he has put in over the past 8 years and you can see and that is what governance is all about, to be able to transition. And unlike when we say, oh, we don't want to leave a place of power, and I think the president has set a good example, and like I said, he's not a magician to just fix every problem in Nigeria. He inherited some, so despite one of the things that gladdens my heart is he's done well in laying foundations. We've seen that happen in the example of Lagos. When you are building, a huge building, people won't know what goes into the foundation. And I think he's done well. And we can only wish and hope for a greater Nigeria. We look at it because, you see, when you end something, there should be other options. And I think, if he says that, and we pray that our administration comes on board, and I think it's something, that we'll look into. And that's why when you transition and then you lay certain foundations, work would have been done. Because what is 8 years to fix a country? A country that when you inherited, it wasn't, really there. And we can say a lot have been done. He spoke about the road network, the bridges they've done, power, and a lot of things. And Nigeria has a very good prospect. And we can only hope for the best. And everybody should also play their part. I said, don't worry, we'll fix it. That's all I can tell you. It's good to always raise your bar and then work towards that. You don't know other, also partnership they have in making. You don't expect him at, who he is to come and start making bogus promises. And I think, if he says that, we should just be hopeful and pray for a greater Nigeria. Thank you very much. Thank you.